Adding product options to your product. In order to add options to a product that you may have put in the website, you will need to use the Display tab, which is the second tab in the main products page. So if you go to the bottom of this page, you'll see a Create Manage Product Options link. If you click on that, it will load in a series of options that you can add in. Add Option Group. Add Option Group is the actual title of the group of that option. So if it were, you could have in here maybe size, or it might be colour. It's not the actual options, it's the collective name of that particular option. So for this example, I'm going to use size. So I would type in size and click Save. And now that's created that as an option group. So you can select it from here. I may, for other products, need colour. So I will add in colour as another choice. I may also have, there might be different other things for very niche and bespoke things, but colour and size tend to be the most popular ones. So now you see they're both in as these option groups. If I wanted to delete one, if I've done an error, I can go in there, select that, and then click the little icon there, and that will delete that option group. You have to do this for each product. Because it can be bespoke for different products, so each time you create a new product you will have to go in, but once you've created it, as you can see, as soon as I start typing an S, it automatically brings up the things I've already used for this particular store. So you only have to just put the S, and then you can click the ones you've already created and choose that, and then save. So I want to create some options within size, so I choose size from my add option group. Let's put that in there. And then I want to create something to put in there. So I want to start with standard, and I'll save that. And once I've saved that, it automatically creates an option. So you'll see down here, size standard. It's got an available field, a stock code, unit price. Now, as soon as I tick available, it will automatically put in the original code for this product here and the original price. And you can change the stock quantities at the end here. And then I can click Save using this little button here. So that's created a standard option. I also want a large option, so I shall go into click to size here in the add option group, and then I should create the option in that group of large, and I shall click Save. And that again has created another one, size large. As soon as I click available, it adds in the same product code. So if you had a different code for the large version in here, you can edit the code here. So I shall change that to have an A at the end. And the large one might be more expensive, so I'm going to change that one there to, say, 130. And then again, you can change your levels there. I can apply a was price, so I can put 120, and for that one, I can put was 140. So I shall click Save. So now I've got my product options all set up. So I shall close this window now, and then I shall save using the main Save button. Then once that's saved, I shall go across to the actual products and I shall refresh. And now you'll see that a size field has appeared with a drop down, and it has a standard and large option within there. So I shall go into standard or large, and it will automatically reload the price here, standard 110 or large 130, and it will just display my savings there. So that's how you create a product option. For complicated products where there's many variables of product options, for the user's ease, we've also created a full product options link here, which is automatic. When you create options, click on that and it will open up a chart for the user to see, which will have all the variables. So they, rather than having to look down or drop down all the time, they can just look at this particular list of product options for that one. And then if they decide they want this one, they can select it from here, and it will automatically set up the drop down to say the correct one in there.